PML kit that he's made a few modifications on. This afternoon, Gordon's going to fly it on an I-245. All right, this isn't like Gordon, but let's see what he can do this way. Here we go, Gordon. Range is clear. Skies are clear. In. We'll wait for the guy that tripped over my speaker. Okie dokie. Here we go. Gordon with his Super T-Hawk. Range is clear. Skies are clear. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Oh, look at that, Gordon. Ain't that hard?
I went up there pretty good for that little motor, didn't it?
That's the easy part, though.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Nice job, Gordon. Another avenue for you to explore.
Get rockets.
Something completely different.